Well, I apologise again for the crappy camera. I've been sorting out some more buck and boost modules that I'm going to test, and probably test a few to destruction. And ironically, on about voltage spikes and stuff, I was going to use this, but it got took out by a voltage spike. It managed to kill the regulator, kill the Bluetooth IC, which I haven't been able to identify. It sits just in there. If anybody happens to know what Bluetooth chip that is, it would be nice info. So I didn't have a screen to fit, so I bought one that didn't fit, and then I made up a header out of some of these 0.1 inch connectors to fit it, and one of these in female socket so I can unplug the screen. I'm going to build it into a nice big metal case, a bit like I did when I made my power supply. So it's working again, that's the main thing. If you get one of these 2.8 inch screens to replace the 2.4 inch screen, the wiring's very simple except for one thing. The backlight for the screen on this one works in the reverse to the one that's on the board as standard with just a header cable. So when you press a menu button, the screen goes dark for 10 seconds and then comes back brighter, which is the opposite of the original. So all I've done is I've stuck a 1k resistor from the positive supply to the backlight pin, and now it will just stay permanently at that brightness. But for the sake of, you know, 2-3 quid, less than a cost of coffee, I just bought a new screen for it, and I couldn't see point in buying a 2.4 when I can buy a 2.8 for kind of the same money and have that extra 0.4 of an inch. Size matters. Also, you get 4 mounting holes for when I do make my metal box. I've got something to mount it with, which I wouldn't have got if I'd bought the original. So yeah, that's fixed. I need to know what chip this is, if anybody's got one of these and can check. And I'm going to destroy some of these. Toodles for now.